welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm going to talk about text cleaning on Amazon Fine Food Reviews dataset. In real time, the dataset we will get with special symbols, digits, underscores, with unnecessary spaces, some misspelled words, and maybe some foreign language words. So all these cases will be there. So how to get rid of all these cases by text cleaning? I'm going to explain now. For this, I'm using Amazon Fine Food Reviews dataset. So this need two modules. One is pandas and another one is regex. Regex is a Python library, regular expressions, which we will use to clean the text. So I will import those two modules here. Import pandas as PD, import regex as RE. So if you don't have these modules, you can download these modules using pip install pandas and pip install regex. Let me run this. So those two libraries are successfully executed. So I have these two libraries in my environment. And now I will read the dataset. df is equal to pd dot read csv, and the file name is reviews dot csv. And after reading that data frame, I will just check the information of the data frame. So here, these are the columns, and we can see here 5,68,454 nominal count. So the dataset contains around 5,68,454 review text comments. So I don't want to use all the review comments for the text cleaning because it needs a lot of computational resources. So I will be taking only the top 50K rows for my text cleaning. So I will read only the top 50,000 rows. You can give n rows is equal to 50,000, so that only the top 50,000 rows will be read as your data frame. Now, if I look at my data frame information, then you can see you have only 50,000 entries available. Okay, in that you have so much of information here, but for my text cleaning problem, we can use only this text column. I will take this text column along with the score column, because in future I wanted to work with text classification. So where I wanted to prepare a machine learning model from the text and using text and score. So where I will prepare a model and it should able to predict, if I give it text, then it should able to predict the score for that text. So I will take only the necessary columns here. If If I look at the information of the data frame, then I have only 50,000 entries and I have only text and score. So this is the required data frame for me. Now I wanted to perform text cleaning on this data. For that, I will write a function called get cleaned text data. I will pass the sentence as the argument. So here, first I will clear the sentence for all the special characters. I will clear it. So to do that, first I will retrieve only the alphabets, numbers, and underscore. For that, we can use the regex module. So modified sentence is equal to re dot sub r sentence. So here, all the characters other than alphabets, maybe lowercase or uppercase alphabets, and digits and underscore. Okay. So other than alphabets, digits, and underscore, I wanted to retrieve everything and all those characters I wanted to replace with space here. So this code, what it does is removes, removes all the characters other than alphabets, digits, and underscore. Once we get this sentence, modified sentence, and this modified sentence further processed to remove the digits because we don't require the digits also. So I will modify the sentence further. Modify sentence is equal to re dot sub r. I will remove all the digits from the modified sentence. So this, it makes sure that it will remove the digits or replace the digits with spaces. Replace the digits with spaces. And here also it replaces all the characters other than alphabets, digits, and underscore with spaces. Right. So we have alphabets and underscore now. Now I will remove the underscore from the modified sentence. Re dot sub, and here from my raw sentence I will remove the underscore and I will replace the underscore with space. replace the underscore with space. So once you replace your digits, your underscores, and you have only the alphabets now, and you might have multiple spaces in your text data. So you need to remove those multiple spaces at the same place, and you need to replace with a single space there. So how to do that? We can further modify this sentence. re dot sub the spaces you can get here like this, and you modify the sentence. Replace multiple spaces with single space. Okay. Now you need to convert this modified sentence to lowercase, and also I will use strip to remove the front and rear spaces if any in the sentence. So here text will be converted to lowercase, lowercase, and initial or front and rear spaces of the sentence will be removed. So then you return this modified sentence. In 5 steps, we can clean our data basically. And let me run this function. It was executed successfully. Now I apply this function on my text column. So I will create a new column called cleaned text data is equal to df of my text data. On text data, I will use apply this function, get clean text function. It is very fast, and df dot info. I will print the information. Once it executes, I will display the information. So your clean text data is ready now. So now you can look at the top 10 lines of your data set. Here you can see that your text is this one, your scores are here, and your clean text data is here. So you can observe that you cannot have any special characters, symbols, and tags. It will be removed, and all your text data will have only the alphabets in lowercase, and it is in organized manner, and there will not be any unnecessary spaces or also won't be available here. So this is how you can clean your data set within simple steps. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, please subscribe and click on like, and you can look at the other videos of mine also if you like it. Thank you.